Yo, turn on the stove, let's start the show. We got ways of cooking, here we go. You can fry in the pan. Fry the potato, then eat it, man. Before the breakfast, boil the eggs. Breakfast is ready, what happens next? Grill the chicken. Where is the salt? Just sprinkle, season it, yeah, and make it spicy. It's so tasty, now it's so nice. You ate the meal, for God's sake. It's time for sweet bake the cake. Modern İngilizceci, he is my teacher. Eating chocolate, he likes bitter.
Rende, grater,
Süzgeç strainer,
ingredient,
zencefil ginger.
rende, grater,
Süzgeç strainer,
ingredient,
zencefil ginger. Just remember, you have to work hard. This song, this art, just for you. Just remember, you have to work hard. This song, this art, just for you. Modern İngilizceci, he is my teacher. Eating chocolate, he likes bitter.